Hi there, Scott Wessex Blades, thanks for joining me. Just prior to sending away, so I'm sending farewell to a few blades. This was for Ralph. He wanted an L-Max Merlin, so it's got the maker's mark. Did a close-up earlier on of the laser doing a Merlin tooling, so it's a very pretty Merlin in L-Max. Yeah, and the brief on that was using the laser to put a Merlin design on the sheath. So yeah, that's that one. Then we've got the other one for Ralph. Was the one with his Prussian Eagle. So I'm just doing all the paperwork for it all now. Messages all morning. So that was in sweet hardwood with a big thick green G10 liner. Prove that's vaguely sharp. Vaguely sharp. And a matched ferrule on the side, so thick lime green G10. So full double welt, thick double welt, double stitching, lock stitched all the way up through. Then we've got owls. So got a prepper knife in G10, so thick liner. The thing with the handles on these, because the G10 stock and ground flat stock is only 8mm, you gotta put a thick liner with it to get any decent girth, madam. So that's why it's got a substantial G10 liner. It's got some uses, that one. And the land of the free, the home of the brave, Scotland! It's got a thistle tooling. Oh, yeah, that was highly detailed. I mean, some of those lines are about 1.5mm across, and to get the tooling between that and the next 1.5mm thread of the thistle, the design had to be so that the thistle thread was thin, and to give me enough tooling in between was the design specific with that one. Otherwise you could have them closer and you'd lose the detail because the tool would mash the actual thread of the top of the thistle. So I had to rationalise how many thistle tendrils there were to give me the room for the thinnest tool to go in between the thistle threads. And then there's this one, which is going to the prepper meat, so it's available, and that is a multi-grind prepper knife in desert ironwood G10 mosaic pins. Yes, so that's in a leather sheath. What's that? What's it cut? Oh. Kind of showing it won't cut, I think. Oh, it's not sharp. So, make sure you subscribe. Now this week coming up, Goloks, and it's got the full-on temper in the spine, multi-grind. Nice. So who else carves indoors, eh? Get popular with the wife. Small but pokey.